Friday is coming. It is the sales event of the year, the one day you're guaranteed to see the best prices on TVs, laptops, games consoles and mobile phones. Here are tips for you preparing the Black Friday. First, prioritize your shopping list. Create a shopping list so you can check out quickly on the day. When making your list of items you need to buy, list them first by store, and then by order of importance. This will put the must-find items at the top, so you can first focus on finding them as you visit each store. When you get there, first walk to the department to find the item you want. Second, set a budget. Decide ahead of time what you plan to spend on the Black Friday sales and stick to it. Be responsible and remember that the expensive festive season is coming up, so you'll need a bit left over for this. Third, use shopping bags instead of a cart. Maneuvering carts through crowds of people is difficult and can slow you down. Grab a couple of reusable shopping bags and take them with you to shop instead. I've even used large totes and stuffed them full and carried them through the store as well. It is just so much easier than a heavy cart. Fourth, remember, not everything is really a deal. Oftentimes, retailers do not have to offer their lowest prices until closer to December 25th. That may mean the item on sale 30% off, might drop to 40% off, or more, the closer you get to Christmas. Always check the original sticker price on the product or the shelf. Compare that to the discount to see if it is really a great deal. Not all items will be deeply discounted, so don't fall for the hype of the shopping season. Another thing you need to check is for the inflated discount. This is when retailers will say an item is on sale for $89.99, down from $149.99. In your mind, you see a deal. However, a small bit of research shows you that the retail price was too high to begin with and everyone offers that item for that same price. It is not truly a deal and you might pass and wait for a better offer. Fifth, be wary of unusual brands. Samsung and Sony are known for their TVs, but what about other unfamiliar brand? Dirt cheap deals are everywhere on Black Friday, but just because a TV is 4K and HDR plastered on the box, doesn't mean it's going to have as good a picture as a Best Buy model. We're not saying every brand you've never heard of is bad, but there's a reason why some are household names and some only ever crop up in a sale. The odds are, if we haven't reviewed devices from a certain brand, then they aren't worth buying. Sixth, if you're shopping for tech, know the life cycles. Most technology, including smartphones, TVs and tablets, is released on a 1-year cycle, so you only need to wait 12 months before there's a shiny new device to get excited about. Big tech companies will do their best to tempt you into buying their latest release, but the forgotten device celebrating its first birthday could still be more than adequate, and it's also far more likely to be on sale. 7th, check the returns policy. Just in case you regret your Black Friday purchase, double check what the retailer's returns policy is for Black Friday items before you buy. You can only return non-faulty goods for an exchange or refund if the retailer has a returns policy. Almost all shops do, but they're not required to by law. If what you bought is faulty, that's a different matter. You have 30 days to reject it and get your money back. Find out more about your rights on Black Friday deals. 8. Start your shopping early. Black Friday is no longer a one-day event. As a matter of fact, the best sales aren't even released on Black Friday, they're actually unveiled throughout Thanksgiving week. So the earlier you start your shopping, the better your chances of finding the items you want on sale and in stock. Last year, we noticed some of the best deals were released on the morning of Thanksgiving Day. That's not to say you should avoid Black Friday, but be aware that the best Black Friday deals will start on Thanksgiving week. 9th, be wary of doorbuster sales. Black Friday wouldn't be the same without a head-turning doorbuster sale. However, These time-sensitive sales were designed to lure shoppers into stores, in hopes of getting consumers to spend on other non-essentials. Oftentimes, a store will have a very limited number of doorbuster items in stock. Moreover, they'll release them at odd hours in the morning. So unless you're first in line, your chances of scoring a doorbuster deal are slim to none. 10th, don't wear red. My friend learned this one the hard way. One year, he wore a long-sleeved red tee and was asked for help on numerous occasions. So, keep your red clothes safe in your closet.